Download the eBridge Print and Capture app from the Apple App Store. Your mobile device will need to be connected via Wi-Fi to the same network as your Toshiba eStudio system. Perform the following steps to print photos with eBridge Print and Capture. After installation is complete, launch the application on your iOS device by tapping the eBridge Print and Capture icon. Select the Capture tab on the top right and place your document on the platen glass or in the document feeder of the Toshiba eStudio system. Then tap Scan in the Capture section of the application menu. On first use of the app for scanning, the system will attempt to locate your Toshiba eStudio system on the Wi-Fi network. If no devices are discovered, tap No Device Selected. Click to discover on the warning message at the top of the screen. To manually input the IP address for your system, tap Wi-Fi and then select Manual on the lower right side of the screen. Enter the IP address or full host name of your system and then tap the return icon in the lower right corner. Make any desired scan setting changes and then tap the scanner icon in the lower right corner. Your scan job will be sent to your device via Wi-Fi. Please remain on this screen until the data transmission has completed. You can change the orientation of your scanned file by selecting the Rotate tool on the top right side of the app. You can save the file as a PDF, JPEG, or Slim PDF document locally on your device using the File folder icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can send your file to other desired locations, like email, text, or cloud-based storage platforms such as Dropbox or Google Drive using the Send tool in the bottom left side of the screen. In this tutorial, we will save the scanned file to Dropbox. Tap the Dropbox icon. On the Save to Dropbox screen, tap to select the desired Dropbox folder to save your scanned file in. Tap Upload to store your scanned file to Dropbox. Your scanned file will be saved to Dropbox. Tap on the file to open it. You can tap Copy Link to copy and share a URL to your file or Show in Folder to view it if desired. Tap the X button at the top left of the screen to close the screen and return to the eBridge Print and Capture app. To return to the main menu in the eBridge Print and Capture app, tap back at the top left of the screen to return to the scan screen. Next, tap Back option again at the top left of the screen.